Hello everyone. So the question is the values of lambda and nu for which the system of linear equations, we have been given three linear equations, has infinitely many solutions are. So basically infinitely many solutions are. So basically what have been given here, three equations have been given here. So the values of lambda and nu we have to find out. Solution will be seen in the next slide. Now you can see that the three equations are here. So first we will be finding out the determinant. That would be 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 1 3 and lambda equals to 0. Okay, so now we'll be applying the equations like operations. On first, see, you can see here row the operation is being applied here. We'll try to make as many zeros as we can. So first we'll be seeing that R2 is equals to R2 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 0. So basically here we'll be having 0. Next, like this, we here also will be having 0. Then we'll be open it up. Now we'll be going to the next slide. So now you can see we got this lambda equals to 5. After that we'll be finding determinant number 3. So we'll be applying third pair of operations. We'll be getting this. After that we'll be cross multiplying it to find the value of nu, and then nu will be getting us 8. So lambda equals to 5, nu equals to 8. That is option number 2.